Okay, this is a Suzuki GS500F, and I had a problem with it. I was riding it, and as soon as I got home, before I turned it turned off by itself. And then I thought it was weird, so I tried turning it back on. It didn't want to crank. You know, even if you hold the clutch or anything, it won't crank. And I checked the only fuse this bike has, which is here in the starter solenoid. Right here, you remove this. And I mean, I guess I didn't have to remove this, but it's a 20 amp. That wasn't it. But what the problem is this starter solenoid. The only way it'll turn on right now temporarily, if you touch those two together, and it'll turn on. Look, put the ignition on and tap them, and it'll turn on. And that's how you know you have a bad starter solenoid. Because I was looking online and people are talking about the fuse, and not the fuse. The fuse is good.